Hi, my name is Debbie Whaley, and I'm here to talk today about one of my favorite companies, LUX Landscape Lighting.
I'm Kurt, and I'm here today to talk to you about landscape lighting.
My name is Susan, and I had a LUX Landscape Lighting system installed in my home this past fall, and I just wanted to tell you a little bit about it.
I get a tremendous amount of enjoyment out of my yard and the landscaping, and work very hard at maintaining it so that it looks pristine. Nothing has made it look as good as landscape lighting. And the job that Lux did and that Eric did in designing the entire plan has done nothing but enhance the value of the home. And because I think it makes the house look nicer, I enjoy the house more.
I was kind of redoing my whole landscaping in the front, and Eric helped me figure out what would really work. But he made my home look so much more contemporary and so bright from the outside. My neighbors always comment on how beautiful my home looks and how great the landscaping and the lighting is integrated with one another. And that's all due to Eric.
Absolutely love it. The back of my house is a big sliding door and some windows, so even in the evening, especially when it gets dark lighter like it does in the wintertime, you're able to look outside and see it in the evening. It just is beautiful. It's like your own little paradise back there.
And I've had comments that everybody's loved it. And I really do like it. It's very peaceful to come home to, and it's good for security, and it allows me not to have my outdoor house lights on, but it's all very tastefully done.
In addition to just the security, it just makes the house look so much better. The way he pinpointed some areas, I have a very small ranch home, and the way he pinpointed areas to light and make things look a little more dramatic was just was wonderful. And increasing the value of your home and just making your home look like something beautiful.
They are a throwback to the old kind of company that puts customers first. I give this company just the highest marks in terms of recommending them because of their service and because of their excellence.